Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. I feel like I haven't showed my face in a while, but I probably did. Just feels that way. Today I am working on week number, I think it's 4 of my cleaning cart system, or it's very similar to zone cleaning. It's just I have a list that's listed on the cart system. I will link all the playlist down below from the previous days that I have worked on it. So for my week 4, I am working on my kitchen, and I am just wiping stuff down that needs to be wiped down, maybe sorting things out, getting rid of stuff that made its way back into the kitchen and really shouldn't be. So I have so just to give you a bit of a rundown, if I haven't done so, I don't think I did it since the first video. So cleaning cart system, or some of you call it zone cleaning, it's a little bit different from each other but very similar, are the type of cleaning that you do outside of your deep cleaning, and essentially it makes your spring cleaning that much easier because mine rotates every 7 weeks. I think I have 6 or 7 weeks in a rotation. I'm not 100% sure how many weeks I have. But so this week it's my kitchen, so I'm gonna go through all the drawers, all the cupboards, and just get rid of stuff that doesn't need to be there and wipe down anything that needs to be wiped. When I do my spring cleaning, I usually tend to go a little bit into more detailed cleaning, and I'll actually wash everything out of the cupboards and all that stuff. I don't necessarily do that when I do my zones or my cart cleaning. I just wipe anything that needs to be wiped. When I'm spring cleaning, I clean it regardless whether it needs to be cleaned or not. So when I spring clean, I essentially go down the same list. I just do it more thorough than when I do it for the zone cleaning. And this is a great way to, like I said, not be overwhelmed when the spring cleaning or fall cleaning comes, because there's not going to be that much cleaning. Like, you're not gonna have to scrub because you wipe it down if it needs to be wiped down. And same with like decluttering stuff. If you're doing it constantly, then you're not overwhelmed with so much to declutter. So yeah, so I'm gonna get started and take you along. I spread it over the week, so today is Tuesday, and my plan is to do the left under the sink and the cupboards left of the stove, up and down. So come along. Here is my week 4. I actually have 8 weeks in my cleaning cart system, and here is the kitchen. It should take me approximately 1.5 hours total. And here is the list. So I'm going to be working on the cupboards for next 2 days, and then I will most likely clean the stove. Well, it's the oven more that I'll be cleaning. It's a self-cleaning oven, but I take the racks and clean those. And then that's about it. So I'm going to get started now. So I'm starting with this under the sink cupboard, and let me show you. So as you can see, it doesn't look too bad, but some stuff doesn't need to be here. This is what happens when you get the soap wet. And I'm going to use a microfiber cloth with the anti-bag cleaner from Method.
Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Down now, no you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. No, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah.
This is a good time to check all your medicine for their expiration date.
We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no.
So it is Wednesday today, and I will be working on these cupboards and the lower cupboards.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night.
So it is Thursday now, and I will be cleaning the greenery. I still have a corner cabinet left and above the pantry and light fixtures, so I'm going to try and get all this done. So first thing is I'm going to remove the greenery. So I have one up there, and then I have one up here, and I'm going to remove them and take them outside, spray them with vinegar, water and essential oil, and then just rinse them out. They're not dirty or anything. I just find that they almost like get all smelly from different cookings, and because I do cook a lot of a lot of stuff with curry. Sometimes they smell like curry when you smell them. So I'm going to get that cleaned up. And I'm also going to put the curtains to wash.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels.
Now I'm gonna work on this cabinet. The angle is really awkward, so I might not be able to. You might not be able to see a lot.
I don't really care, yeah. I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I had removed the racks from the oven, turned it on for self-cleaning, and now I'm going to take these outside. I have a bucket that I put some boiling water along with some just outside water in, and Ultra Dawn dish soap, and it removes pretty much all of this stuff, brings it back to almost new-like look. I got this idea from How Jen Does It on her channel. So here is my water, and I'm going to place these in now. And I'm gonna let this soak for till the evening. So I just wanted to show you, they've soaked for a couple hours and the stuff just comes right off. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but you kind of get a hang of it. The last thing that I did is I gave all the baseboards in the kitchen a good vacuuming. They weren't too bad, so I didn't have to wipe them down. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivational, and it's a great way to keep your kitchen in tip-top shape. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, press the notification button, stick around, and see what this channel is all about. And thank you so much all for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.